Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change your Bitmoji avatar style in Snapchat. If you want to change your Bitmoji avatar style, open the Snapchat app. From here in the Snapchat app, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner and then tap the gear icon to access the settings. In settings, tap on Bitmoji. From here, you can change the outfit, you can edit your Bitmoji and you can choose a selfie. I am selecting choose a selfie and here you will find the recommendations. Select your desired recommendations. Select your desired one. And tap done from the bottom. If you want to change your outfit, tap the change outfit and select your outfit. After selecting your outfit, tap save from the top right corner. By this way, you can change your Bitmoji avatar style. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.